Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and chewits. I hope you're doing amazing today.
Boom shakalaka!
July 8th, 2025. And it is Tuesday, right? It's Tuesday, guys. Give me some W's, give me some hearts. If you're investing in the market, or if you're just watching for fun, let me know what part of the world you are watching from. I'm always asking that question because I do love to know where you guys are watching from. But anyways, let's get right into it. Why not live it up en la casa, mi pana? Hadouken to you, my friend. Let's get it started. King David here. Drop your city in the chat or country. Let's get this going. If you're new here, hit that subscribe so you don't miss out our daily market and crypto lives. Today's vibe is chill. We're just reviewing the stock market heat map, the crypto bubbles, and what's happening with Tesla, trade, and more. And you must be wondering, hey, David, where is your camera? No worries, bro. I got you because I just noticed that I don't have it either. So let's get it set up real quick. And you should be seeing me in 3, 2, 1. There you go, sir. I'm here. Welcome, welcome. I thought I had the camera already set up, but already here we go, guys. Before the market opens, come on, man. There we go. Okay, so let's start. Segment number 1. Markets are actually bouncing a bit after Monday's drop. So let's go ahead and take a quick look over here. The numbers. S&P 500 futures are up 0.2%. The Nasdaq is up 0.3%. And the Dow is flat. The 10-year yield is up 4.41%. So bond are still moving. All of this comes after Trump threw a curveball yesterday with those tariff letters. And oh, there's nothing actually. No camera, no nothing. Look at that. Hey, thank you for calling it out, bro. There you go. Here we are, my bro. Actually, this is the one. There you go. Perfect. Should be good now. And the trading one. There you go. Okay, sorry about that. Trump just sent letters to South Korea and Japan announcing 25% tariffs on imports starting August 1st. That's a big deal. Those two countries make up about 8.5% U.S. imports. UBS says that could bump inflation up slightly. China's already warning the U.S. to chill. They say if this escalates, they'll retaliate and shut down anyone trying to cut them out of supply chains. By the way, this is coming over here from Seeking Alpha. If you're looking for a news source, I actually recommend Seeking Alpha. It's very anti-bias on politics. You already know I don't like politics. I don't like to see people separate each other. But you know about a separation that we've been following is Elon Musk and Trump, and even Elon Musk and Tesla. So let's talk about Elon. After his wild weekend forming a new political party, Tesla dropped almost 7% on Monday, but now is rebounding about 0.8% pre-market. And Wedbush is saying the Tesla board needs to step in. They want to offer Elon a new pay package with rules that force him to stay focused on Tesla's future, especially robotics and autonomy. They want him CEO until at least 2030. And with that said, we can take a look at Tesla's stock price and see how it's performing. Why not leave it up? We're looking good now, huh? Let me know, bro. Okay, let's go to TSLA. And Tesla pre-market 296.72. It's actually reaching a resistance. Over here you can see this is a resistance, this is a resistance, and this is becoming a support. We haven't confirmed it because if you zoom in, let's go to the 1 hour, we got to break out of this trend line. So once we break out of the trend line, we can confirm this as a support, and it's starting to look good. So hopefully it will start to go up. Let's see what Elon Musk says. The 2-pole oscillator on the daily is still haven't shown me a buy signal, but we may get it. So let's keep an eye on that, and keep an eye on the RSI as well. We haven't crossed yet on the daily. And the weekly, we did go up, we go down. Yeah, we still are not doing that good. So keeping an eye on that, and keeping an eye on the 2-pole oscillator for the weekly as well. TSLA, my friends. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward from Tesla to 4 stocks to watch. Here's what else is on the radar, guys. One is Honeywell, HON. Let's go ahead and add it to our charts here. Honeywell, and Honeywell is doing is performing beautifully, guys. Look at that support and resistance play. You can see, wow, this is actually looking mighty bullish, bro. And we already got some targets it's been a while, bro, since I did this analysis, but you can see we can go to 260s, 280s, to 350s. And Honeywell is splitting into 3 companies by 2026. Okay, maybe that's the outlier. Uber, UBER, which a lot of people have been using now. Look at that, creating higher highs, my bros. Wow, I remember when we talked about it over here in 2022, bro. Look how far it has come. Currently at 96.68, actually 97.10 pre-market price. And Uber might benefit from a new bill that removes tax on tips. Drivers could earn more, and Uber benefits indirectly, guys. So there's more potential here. And if we do a Fibonacci, let's go ahead and do that from the highs and the lows. We can be going to $100. Okay, first stop, then 128, but $100 is gonna be a pullback. So keep an eye on that. Okay. ExxonMobil, XOM is the ticker to keep an eye on as well, my friends. ExxonMobil Corporation, 110.75. We are actually looking much better now. If you zoom in on the weekly, you see that. Look at the daily. We broke a trend line, so it's starting to look good. Maybe one more pullback, it will definitely benefit us. Maybe 103, but it's looking mighty bullish. Keep an eye on it though, because if it drops, it can drop to 80s. That will be fine. But anyways, from ExxonMobil, they warned about weaker earnings from oil prices. So maybe that's where we drop a little bit, okay? Like I said a little bit earlier, we can definitely be dropping to 100s or 80s. Just because of the numbers, or just because we need to retest this as a higher low. And I actually would like to see that, a higher low. But anyways, the last one to review is Datadog. Has been downgraded to sell because of open AI risks, and the stock is down. So DDOG, maybe some people are buying some puts for Datadog. We already are at 146 because the market will open in 2 minutes, guys. But Datadog has been pretty good, pretty solid for quite a while. You can see we created some support. And obviously we got some resistance. That resistance was pretty tough. Last month was a bullish engulfing month, but now there should be a pullback. It's too far away from the EMAs. And one last thing that I want to do is add a trend line. Yeah, always use trend lines, guys. Trend lines are the best. When we break, we continue. And this is a minor trend line, so yeah, it's going up, but it should be retesting the major one. So let's see what happens there. But anyways, guys, if you have any company or crypto you want me to review, go ahead and send that to me. And a little bit of more information about the Uber stock, which we already talked about. But I got on my notes a few things here that I wanted to say, guys. Is that thanks to the no tax on tips, part of the new bill, drivers might save around $1 billion in taxes this year. That's a 2.5% pay raise. More drivers equals more rides equal better margins for Uber. Bank of America now has a Uber at $115 price target, and stock is up 60% YTD, which is kind of wild. 115, which is very similar to what I said a little bit earlier. So 115, Bank of America. Let's go ahead and add that target. And let's clean that here. And let's go ahead and add over here the weekly. $115. I actually said 100s. Said over here 100s and even 130s, but you know, Bank of America 115 right in the middle. Not bad. Pretty conservative. Let me look at the monthly again. Yeah, pretty good. It's pretty good. Actually, yeah, pretty good. But anyways, guys, that's a little bit of more information about Uber and a price target, which is great. In another big headline, it says Trump says the U.S. will resume weapons shipments to Ukraine after pausing them last week. He promised 10 Patriot interceptors and more defensive gear that could boost defense stocks. Keep an eye on LMT and RTX. LMT, Lockheed Martin. We're already at 463. RTX. Hey, thank you for the sub, my bro. Thank you for the sub. Dímelo, Rostam. Good morning, my bro. Dímelo, Gas Boy. Welcome, welcome. Thank you. Appreciate it. In RTX, we're at 145. We're looking very bullish over here. Raytheon is looking super bullish over here. So this could affect NATO, ETF, ITA, and XAR2. Now let's load up the stock market heat map since the market has opened. Appreciate the support, bro. Stock market heat map looks a little bit red, a little bit of gray, a little bit of green, a little bit mixed. See Oracle in the green, Palantir a little bit in the red. I see MU, Micron, a little bit blue, green. Nvidia green. Bank of America, the banks are not doing well, but Coinbase though, it's at 368, 3% up. Tesla 1.6% up. Consumer non-durables a little bit red. The same for utilities. Utilities are red, my friends. And let's look at crypto bubbles. Let's see how crypto is doing this morning. Thank you for the sub, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. And crypto bubbles is actually, bro, a little bit green. Look at Bunk. Bunk is doing insane, man. I'm actually in Bunk. So very, very good. A lot of green today, bro. A lot of green. And talking about Bunk, let me go ahead and take a quick look at Bunk. Look at that bullish engulfing candle. But we are at a resistance. See that? This is a resistance play, bro. But in other news, Bitcoin is at 108,770s. Ethereum is at 2,575. XRP is at 2.28. Cardano is at 58 cents. Avalanche at 18. Solana 151. Yasmi still at 0.012. Spell token 0.0045. And let me see what you guys are saying over here. ISO 222. Alexandria, Minnesota. Minnesota, let's go. Let's go, Minnesota. OSRH, still waiting. They're going to launch their own token. OSRH. Let's take a look at that, bro. Oh, this is the one that we got in together, huh? Yeah, this is the one that I got in with you. Still waiting, accumulating. It's not in the best position, though, because the tuple oscillator is telling us that over here it was a sell at 172, but we're waiting for buys. We're waiting for a buy signal. Actually, we got a buy signal over here in the 4 hour, bro. Look at the 4 hour telling us to buy, bro. So what needs to happen here is to get out of here, bro. Just go up, bro. Not looking bad. It's actually not looking bad. Dímelo, Justinify en la casa, my bro. How are you, bro? No, who are you, bro? How are you? Okay, and if you're enjoying the stream, guys, drop a like right now, man. And if someone sends a $1 super chat, I'll review whatever you guys want me to review. And if you become a member, I'll shout you out and I'll do another review. And guys, don't forget to check out my music, Deived. I'm gonna be dropping more songs. I was gonna be dropping one on summer, but I'm gonna be honest, my graphic designer didn't send me the art, bro. So I was a little bit sad about that, bro. But whatever. We'll see what happens. I got so many songs ago, my bros. Thank you for the super chat. Let's go, Villa. I got you, bro. Let me send a message and we'll review that. So you want me to review Villa, B-I-Y-A. So let's go ahead and do that right now, my bro. B-I-Y-A. Baya International Group. See what we got over here. Let's go. David. Let's make a meal, Lavish. How you doing? Good to see you, my bro. Bro, Villa is at 72 cents. And not a lot of movement. Super oversold on everything. 4 hour daily. Well, that's crazy. How much did you buy? 1,000 shares? It's looking very tempting to me, man. But at the same time, it's looking very, very, very risky. You already know, guys. I don't like penny stocks because of that, but the risk can definitely have big rewards, you know. And I don't know a lot about this, so let's see if we got any information about it. So it says, Vaya International is a holding company which engages in utilizing cloud-based internet platform to provide one-stop crowdsourcing recruitment and SaaS-enabled HR solutions. It offers job matching service, trusted recruitment service, job project outsourcing service, and labor dispatching service to business, enterprises, and organizations. Company founded October 18, 2021, and is headquartered in Shenzhen, China. So this is a Chinese company, huh? I guess it became good because of COVID, but you know, the graphics we got over here is only starting from 2025, March 2025. Not a lot of information here. Interesting. Where's the sound effect? The sound effect is here. Interesting. I don't know, bro. But David, 2K Villa? Oof, 2K Villa. Thank you, Lacrise. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Hopefully I can go to your country and sing one day. Yeah, I gotta drop more songs, more videos. There's a lot of music videos that I published. Hopefully you can watch them. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep an eye on this 72 2K, bro. Man, Rostam is risking it. I like it. The Sims. Oh, interesting. Oh, the Simpsons. Do I even have that? I don't even know. But I'm gonna add it, bro. Interesting. Interesting. Ah, I can't find it, bro, Mr. Burns. Or it could be
Excellent.
excellent.
Excellent. Excellent.
Maybe we gotta create the sound effect, bro. Right, Chewy? Good morning, fat nuts. Yeah, that one, bro. But David, what about Chuye? Chuye, let's take a look at it. Is that another Chinese company? Chuye, which one is it? Is it? Can you tell me which one, bro? Yeah, fat nuts is here, bro. You already know. Ah, Chewy. Oh, Chewy. I was like, what? What is that? BigBear.ai. Oh my goodness. Yes, we've been talking about it for a while, bro. Mira pa allá, bro. It was here. It went down. Did you get in this one, bro? Bro, this is going nuts already. It's going fat nuts. Did I get in this one? Maybe I didn't get in this one, bro. But this is looking good. Mighty bullish. Bro, look at the daily. Well, I would say just wait for it to retrace. Maybe it retraces back down because you already know. Things go up and down. But it's looking good. Is that daily's a little bit overbought. Look. Daily RSI is a little bit overbought. So I will keep an eye on that. If it gets to drop, you already know. Mira, the weekly is overbought as well. And the monthly is getting overbought. But it's looking mighty bullish. Look at this. Still in this minor trend line. Phenomenal. What is MHUA, a sound effect or a stock? Oh, you got a couple of options. Call? Nice. Call options? Nice. GG's, bro. GG's. Yeah, the original viewers are still sticking around. You know, there's a lot of... Bro, have you guys seen TikTok and YouTube? There's more than one influencer talking about stocks and futures, and it's crazy, bro. It is crazy, bro. Our original viewers are still here, bro. And I am grateful for that, bro. Very grateful. Bro, look at crypto. Crypto is like... Bitcoin is actually looking good, bro. Will Bitcoin become bullish? We got 5 more days. I think it can, bro. I think it can. He's saying a strong resistance, though. But I think we can break it. See that? That's strong resistance. Let me move my lines real quick. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Clean this up a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. And now we can zoom in. See a little bit of more details. Can delete this. Not needed because we're using super and resistance. Zoom into the daily. There you go. That's what I would like to see. Bro, those lines don't lie, bro. Super good. Yeah, that's a strong support. Yeah, we're going up. Now we're heading to the resistance. Let's see what happens, bro. 120,000 is super close. 120,000. MHUA, got you, my bro. Meihua International Medical Technologies. Let's look at the monthly. Let's start with the Uy, no. Rostam, did you buy on this? It's not looking good. Let's start with that. Let's not get too crazy. Yeah, one more drop. This may need one more drop. Oh, RSI cross. Bro, this is going down. This is actually going down. Next thing to add is a trend line. That's it, bro. Nothing else to do. Support and resistance and trend lines. That's it. So if you want to get in, I will say just wait for this to be broken. And wait for the RSI, bro. The RSI is going to be critical, you know? Got 7 viewers. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you're new, subscribe, my bros. Boom chakalaka, 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 boom chakalaka. Dugu 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 dugu. Dun tururun dun 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 tururun dun 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 tururun dun dun dun. Checking out over here something from work. Yeah, we're still good. I got a lot of things happening at the same time, bro. I've been seeing a lot less stock investing news. Still seems like we're in a slower cycle with less retail investors right now. Oh yeah. Well, actually, for some reason on TikTok, I see a lot of investors, bro. I got a lot of investors. Not a lot of news, but a lot of investors. Yeah, but this channel, you made it feel like family. I mean, we are family, bro. We've always been here talking the truth. I always interact with the audience. Always get recommendations from you guys. I love doing this channel, bro. Familia. You got it. Familia. I did not buy it, but they traded at 38 cents and sold at 44 cents. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. You did it right, bro. You did it very, very good. So you basically sold at 44. Bro, you sold at the perfect time, bro. Literally, so you enter at 38. Yeah, you did well, bro. You did very, very good. You thought it was going to go higher. It didn't push higher, huh? You did very good. But just watch out, bro, because here, you broke the trend line, you see? You broke a trend line, so you were a little bit risky. I would have said, I don't know if you entered here at 38 when he did retest of the trend line, or you enter over here when he retested the 50 EMA. But if you did this, I think you did well. I think you would have made more profits if you got out at the 200 EMA. I don't know if you have indicators in your charts, or I don't even know if you do charts, but if you do charts, 200 EMA is always critical. 200 exponential moving average, bro. Always add it, bro. It's so good to have. Here are my settings, just in case. You can't see it, but let me see if I can move it. Here, you can see it now. Yeah, that's the 200 EMA. Very important to have. It doesn't matter if you're using other things or whatever. 200 EMA. And I always add the 50, as you already know. And let me go ahead and look at the DXY before I go. DXY 97.65. Oh, DXY is breaking. Okay, guys, I gotta get ready for this, bro. I think everything's gonna go up now, man. The DXY goes up. Let me look at the Euro USD. It's already starting to go down. It's just I'm not too confident right now on this one. Not yet, not yet. But it's looking much better, bro. I just want to do some forex, bro. And let me go ahead and fix this. Yeah, this could have been a super easy trade for the upside, but I don't know, man. Let's see the DXY again. Yeah, we're getting ready. He's gonna go to the 200 EMA, bounce back down, and when he reaches back down, I'm gonna re-enter. I'm gonna enter. Let me look at the USD JPY. It's already creating the structure, my bros. But 200 EMA, pull back, and then I'll start to get in. That's what I wanna see, bro. It's getting there, man. This is literally doing what I wanted to see. I've been waiting for this. So I gotta get in very, very soon, my bros. I've been making more money with Forex than anything else, bro. But anyways, I think if there's nothing else for me to review, guys, I'm gonna do a quick review of the things that I get in. So let me see. Nokia 520, Intel 2288. Oh, Intel is looking good. Intel is looking good, guys. Watch out for that one. AMD 136. Pullback is fine. Google is at 176. Bro, Google retracement is good. Apple 208. 200 EMA pullback is fine. It's looking good. Meta 718. Let's look at the monthly, bro. No, the weekly. Monthly, bro, we are at resistance. Keep an eye on that. Nvidia, 159, bro. I think we're going to get to 170s very, very soon. Microsoft is at 497. This one is going to 600, guys. Tesla, 298, bouncing back. Even though we're outside. Oh, my God, he broke out of this trend line. But, hey, he's out. 298, bro. 298. Look at zoom in. Yeah, it's the support level. Yeah. Resistance becoming support. Okay. Disney 123.31. Disney actually is not looking bad, bro. Look at that. It's looking good. And Rivian 1292. 1292 for Rivian. I'm actually keeping an eye on this one, bro. I want this to go to the moon. Bro, Rolls-Royce is at 1336, still doing good. Palantir 137.45. Will it break the resistance? Let's wait and find out. I think it can, but oof, it needs a pullback. It needed a pullback, bro. TeraWolf is at 506. Oh, Golden Cross coming up. Oh my God, guys, this one is gonna do some good things, bro. 2-pole oscillator on the daily. Golden Cross. And it's not overbought yet. Okay, so definitely want to keep an eye on TeraWolf. If you don't know about TeraWolf, it's about a mining company, Bitcoin mining company. SCNS looking good. We're getting buy signals finally in the 4-hour, guys. And the daily, we were oversold. We went a little bit lower than I wanted to, but we are looking much better now in the daily and 4-hour. Let me see if there's any news. Maintain a buy at H.C. Wainwright, bro. Target. Raise a target to 140 from 110. 140, bro. There you go. AC from 110 to 140, bro. Look at that. The resistance. Let's go, bro. Bro, actually, this could be a video that I can post. I haven't posted a video about SCNS for a while. DXM's access grains, operational strength, offset margin pressures. SCNS holdings, host in-person and virtual analyst. That didn't do that much, but I can do a video about this real quick. Bro, this is actually looking good. This is looking good. This is looking good. SCNS, guys, keep an eye on that. Dimelo Dark Anchor, welcome, welcome. Is there a crypto bubble? Yeah, crypto bubble's here. You have something to tell me? Hey, you got your first girlfriend? Let's go, bro. Happy birthday to you. Bro, this guy's doing Hadoukens over here early in the morning, huh? Take care, fat nuts. Have a beautiful day, my bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a video real quick about H.C. Wainwright giving us a. I'm gonna do a YouTube short actually about this and see if I can just do yeah, YouTube short. Let's see over here. Okay. Whoa. Thank you, bro. Bro, both channels are growing, man. I love it. Okay, let's see. I want to see how to do this, bro. Okay, let me lower the music. Actually, let me remove the music so I can add my music in the background, like Billonario or something. And let me see how we're looking in the charts. It looks good. Thank you, bro. But David, why are we gonna hate, bro? You just gotta do a YouTube short real quick, bro. You're saying go to the gym. I'm actually going to the gym today, bro. I've been going to the gym. It's just that I got too skinny, bro. Actually, I felt like I'm getting fatter. But anyways, yo, SCNS stock is waking up again. Ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, H.C. Wainwright just raised the price target from 1.10 to 1.40 and kept their buy rating locked in. That's a solid 27% upside from current levels. As you can see over here, guys, we are at 0.5, and if we raise the target from 110, which was 116.5% upside, is gonna be now at our resistance, basically 176%. That's pretty good, my friends. Not bad at all. It says over here, let me do this again, guys. Let me do this again. Okay. Let me zoom in, full face. And let's get it here. Yo, SCNS stock is waking up again. H.C. Wainwright just raised the price target. Yes, over here in tradingview.com, it says that H.C. Wainwright raised the price target from 1.10 to 1.40 and kept their buy rating locked in. And as you can see over here, guys, from 50 cents to 110, it was about 120%. But if we go to 140, which was it is a resistance, it will be about 170s to the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty crazy. And this comes after a quiet few months, but investors are watching for a possible move if volume picks up. Could this be the start of a reversal? Drop a money bag if you think this will go to the moon. And if you're watching SENS, don't forget to like and sub for fast stock news. Okay. Is that Roblox hat from your behind? Yeah, bro. That's a Roblox hat. Yes, sir. It's from the YouTube event that I went to. Yeah, I gotta edit this video, bro. It says that H.C. Wainwright raised the price starting. It was raised. Yo. Yeah, I gotta download this and create a short. Awesome. SENS 50 cents, bro. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. What else? Let me look at the DXY again, bro. Bro, DXY is breaking up, bro. The dollar is waking up, bro. Man, I don't even have money in my account, so I gotta put some money there, bro. So the dollar is gonna go up, guys. The dollar is gonna go up. Keep an eye. I've been waiting for this. Mira, see, and Euro USD is going down. Dang it, bro. Dang it, bro. I gotta do this, bro. You want to start trading? Well, you're too young for trading, bro. But you can do paper trading. But David, what is that? Is there anything else you guys want me to review before I go? Because I got a meeting that I gotta assist. I still use it. I still use M1, bro. M1 for me is the best. That's my DCA, bro. That's my DCA. That's my DCA. It's the best thing, bro. I don't even watch it, and it just invests automatically. I will be live later after work. After work, before I go to the gym. What portfolio do I use? I actually got crypto and I got stocks, but I created my own bubble. I can't tell you what I got, but right now, let me see if I can access. Let me see if I can access because I use my phone. So let's see. What job do I work on? I'm a technology manager. So I basically provide instructions to developers to do what they need to do. Okay, let's see. So for me, I'm gonna tell you what I have, what I have in my bubble. So I got Tesla, which by the way has given me a gain of 2,230%. That's why DCA is so good, bro. 2,230% of gains. Apple, 166% of gains. Amazon, 128. I got Altria, 135. Coca-Cola, 79%. Disney, 18%. Microsoft, 244%. Google, 69%. I still got AGNC, 33%. I got McDonald's, 75%. Blackstone, 437%. I got AT&T, but I'm a little bit low there. I'm low 37%. NLY, 22%. Pepsi, 21%. Rockwell Automation, 78%. O Realty Income Corporation, that will be 30%. Prospect Capital, 45%. ARI, 177. But then I'm going to give you the bad ones that I got some losses. Icahn Enterprises, 57% down. Warner Bros. Discovery, 21% down. In Southerly Hotels, 72% down. But I don't have too much of those three. But I definitely am investing more in Tesla, especially since it's down. And since we're talking about it, bro, I think I'm going to push more. I may reduce my positions for Icahn Enterprises because it's losing. Let me see. I'm gonna lower my percentage point so I can get more. Well, actually, since it's lower, maybe I'll add some. But I want to add more of Microsoft because obviously I believe in Microsoft. And I believe, like I said, Microsoft, Tesla. I want to put more Microsoft, Tesla. I want to put more in. Yeah, those two. Those two I really want to push more. And even Google, bro. You see everything technology in Disney, bro. All of this, I really think they are gonna blast off. Just because you already know how I am with technology. Oh my God, this one is gonna go down. I told you, bro, Euro USD was gonna go down. I told you Euro USD was gonna go down. OSRH. You work at a cafeteria? That's pretty good, bro. I used to work at a candy shop, bro. Not the best, but man, the dollar is gonna go up, guys. The dollar will be going up. And let me get some music in the background too. So I use Trader's Way for investing in the forex market. It's not the best, but it works for me. Yeah, forex, bro. Last time I made more money in forex than anything else, bro. Yeah, I only trade when I know the dollar is gonna be strong, and right now the dollar is getting strong, bro. Look, it's literally going, bro. Right now I'm telling you, bro, the dollar is getting strong. Euro USD is gonna go down. If I had money already in my account, I will be putting in right now some sells. Silly motherfuckers. Yeah, I do forex, but not a lot, bro. Actually, I did crazy numbers. I think I did 1,000% once. But too risky, bro. It is hella risky, bro. But what I'm doing more passive investment right now, bro. And you know why I'm doing passive investments? Peace of mind, bro. Peace of mind. Like, I've been more happy since I stopped trading so active. I used to be very active trading, guys. Very, very active. And now I'm a little bit more calm. Hey, bro, Dark Anchor, don't be saying the pew pew here. Yeah, I got some Bitcoin. Yeah, I got some Bitcoin, but literally crypto on M1. Yep. My stable fund bubble is 76.7% of my portfolio. Nvidia. Ooh, bro, Nvidia. You called one out that I need to add, bro. Hey, you definitely need to make a little bit of more money so you get transportation so you can afford to do more things, bro. You know what I mean? Like, when you are able to get, so like what I did for me was like, I needed a computer. I bought a computer, bro, and the computer gave me much more money. Like, I did a lot of freelance work. So getting a car or and even a car will help you get more business in a way. So definitely invest in yourself. That's where my mindset is at. Like, invest in yourself. How can I, for example, I bought a guitar, right? I bought a guitar. Bro, how many shows I played? You know, how many shows have I played and paid me? Bro, I literally bought a bass guitar from my dad's, money when he passed away. I bought a bass guitar, which is the black one. And I played so many gigs that I already paid for itself. But obviously, I love music. It's so different, right? Mini trust? I mean, anything related to, if you have Bitcoin exposure, right? Like, just, it's fine, bro. Yeah, live in a city with good public transport. Yeah, that's literally what I do, bro. I mean, I wish I had more money too, guys. Everybody wants more money, I wish I had more. I have debt. I don't want to be with debt. Controllable debt, though. They discriminate on you, bro. So what is your plan in the future, bro? Like, what do you want to do in life? You know what I mean? Because in my perspective, what I wanted to be was a musician, a YouTuber, and work at my job. Obviously, I would wish that music and YouTube can overtake the wins from my job, but I haven't gotten there, obviously. My job is very, very important to me, man. My job is super important to me, man. And I make good money, bro. But I need to do more. I want to be able to say, I want to save for my mom, provide money to my mom. Provide money to, my family, bro. Man, I wish I could just connect over here. Man, I want to do a trade, bro. I want to get in AutoUSD soils, man. It's just looking so good. Bro, Bonk is 62% up in the daily, bro. And the market is red, gray, Not a lot of green, bro. Not a lot of green. I'm telling you, the dollar is getting strong, bro. The dollar is green. The dollar is green. Dímelo, man. Yen is still crashing. The yen. So, bro, if that's the case, then USD JPY definitely going up. You know what I mean? Like you're saying to me what the forex market is doing, bro. If I were, bro, see, we have to buy, bro. We gotta buy the dollar, bro. I'm telling you, man. Oh, this is what I was waiting for, man. I wasn't quick enough, bro. You already made the move. Already made the move, my bros. Look at that. Look at that candle, bro. Dang it, man. I'm telling you, bro. The dollar is strong, bro. The dollar is strong. Right now, euro is going down, bro. And it's because of the DXY, bro. The DXY is too strong. Look, dollar index is too strong. And it's still starting. This is basically the beginning, bro. This is the beginning, okay? So, keep an eye on it, bro. Will I move back to PR? I've been thinking about it, bro. I really want to go back to Puerto Rico, but I just don't know, man. Puerto Rico is very difficult to grow in the tech industry. But we'll see. You want to become a politician? Bro, I wish you good luck, bro. You'll have a lot of you won't have a lot of friends, and you'll have new friends. Keep investing into stable funds like VU and S&P and get auto 15% every year. Playing with stocks is fun, but not reliable long term. That is true. I like it. Somebody tried to rob you? Oh, man. That's crazy. False flag? False flag where, bro? We got 8 people watching, bro. It's crazy. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Do you like when it's warm all the time? Nah, bro. Also, you could bring ideas established here in America to PR, invent new tech over there. I already did, bro. I mean, I already started doing some stuff. Like, I created an application where it told the user in how much time the bus was gonna arrive on their phone. It was a good project. I love that project. Why is this not connect? Oh, old version. Is this because it's an old version? Maybe it's because an old version. Yeah, I totally get it, bro. I felt that I felt that here in the States, bro. I've gotten bad comments. Shouldn't have been receiving bad comments, but cheeky. The heck, bro? Cheeky. That's crazy, bro. Man, this left me. This left me, my bro. I knew this was gonna go down. After that bearish engulfing, bro. Whew. Heading down for sure, bro. Whoop. Okay. Guys, let's leave it there. Oh, espérate. Let me see if this works. Hey, finally, I got it, bro. I got my account working now. So I'm gonna sell Euro USD. I mean, I'm already late. And I'm gonna buy USD APY, bro. Bro, I'm already late though. And GBP USD, let me see. Oh, GBP USD is gonna make moves, bro. British pound going down too, bro. Gonna see, bro. You're gonna see, my bros. I'm taking some trades right now. Look at that. GBP USD already pushing down. Euro USD. Euro USD definitely is gonna push down. Target 1.1485, bro. Maybe not that exactly. Not that exactly. Let me see over here how they stop. Yeah, maybe around here. 1.16. Already in profits, guys. It was too late though. I'm gonna put my TPs, one here. Already in profit, guys. I'm already in profit. I'm already 16 pips in profit. If my account was bigger, I would have been killing it. Look at that, bro. A little bit of Forex. Actually, I started this channel with Forex, guys. This whole channel was started with Forex. The sound effects. Brother, let me see over here. But it was your favorite subject. My favorite subject? Bro, I got different subjects, but it's gonna be music, gaming, and investing. Oh, and technology, bro. Technology obviously is my first thing, bro. How would you advise someone to take their first margin trade? Don't do it. Don't do margin trading. I've done it and it sucks. It sucks. How are your trading day going? Basically started, bro. I didn't get in that much, but I see strength in the DXY. So basically, I'm buying the dollar right now, and already 20 pips in profit. 20 pips in profit, my bro. 20 pips in profit. That's my current status, my bro. And I started an account with $25, so let's see what happens, bro. Let's see if I can take $25 to 200, which I already done. I already done it. I did $20 to 400. Actually, I did $20 to 2,000, but you know, decisions. I wish you a mindful and conscious trading. Hey, you too, bro. You still believe in Roblox long term? Oh yeah, bro. It's definitely Roblox for me. It's just not because of this, of the the analysis, but it's just the Roblox platform, bro. It makes too much money, bro. Look where we are, 104, bro. You remember when we were at 30s? Look. So I went to an event and there were so many YouTube creators there, bro. Too many creators, too many users. There's a game called let me show you real quick. There's a game called Grow a Garden, and Grow a Garden pulled 1 day of active users. So 1 day they did an update and they had 23 million active users. 23 million, bro. Right now they have 2.4 million active users, 14.5 billion visits. Okay, and this game is very like young. It came out enero, febrero, marzo, March 25th, bro. In 4 months, they reached 14.5 billion. So, you already know, bro. You gotta buy Robux for game passes, and this is how they make money, bro. So you're able to buy Robux. Look, $200 equals to 26,400. So there's an economy within the platform. So that's why I'm very bullish on it. Even though it's not crypto, but it's similar to crypto. You're asking me when do I marry? Well, let's see, bro. Let's see how things go with my princesa. UK banned the in-app purchases of something, right? Which will cause decline for Robux sales. Wonder if it will happen in USA. In-app purchases? Really? They banned that? Doesn't even make sense. Why did they want to do that? That hurts the economy more than helps. That's a risk? Yeah. Did you ever try Bubblegum Sim Infinity? In Roblox? Bubblegum? Let me see. Bro, I've been doing content about Grow a Garden and people love it, bro. It's just that it's so popular, bro. So popular. Man, I missed the liquidity push. I should have entered a little bit earlier, bro. I entered too late because of my transfer on my investments. This one you say? 24,000 active users, 481 million visits. I never tried it. I should try it. Maybe I'll try it later, bro. Justinify. Getting a pullback here. Still looking bullish to me, though. Let me look at Euro USD again. Yeah, just a little pullback, but let's see what happens. Still overbought for me. See, I should have entered. I'm gonna be honest. I would have, if I would have entered maybe at 1.70s, I will be fine. Right now it's just pulling back a little bit. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What happened here? What is this here? There you go. It's crazy. We reach a 200 EMA here. Yeah, we're super over, but the dollar has to go up, bro. Look at the USD JPY, man. See, 4-hour candle comes up in 2 hours and 29. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna leave it there. I think we had a lot of fun. Let me see. Yeah, usually with Roblox games, it's difficult to keep it up, bro. Popular games, bro, that have stayed long. It's like one of you already know, bro. I used to play Blox Fruits. It was so popular, bro. So popular, bro. And now it only has 258,000 active users. See that? 258,000 versus Grow a Garden. It has millions of users, bro. I think the other one, it should be Brookhaven. Or look at Basketball Zero has 29,000. I think Brookhaven must have a lot. Let me see. 736,000 users. Look, 736,000 active. Crazy, huh? This is RPG. I don't know. This is a role-playing game. I think it's good to create content, but I don't know, bro. I don't usually play it. Like I do like my grow a garden, bro. Right now I've been growing my garden, so ironically with the name, you know. Yeah, but I stopped Dark Anchor. It's been a while since I've done it. It's popular on Fridays. I think that's the update day. Oh yeah. See, if there's updates, definitely is gonna be higher view count or active users count. Very important. Very important. It's just active users is definitely important, bro. Well, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Let me do a market recap of what we talked about. Let me see over here. Well, actually, I don't even have a recap. But, all right, fam. Thanks for hanging out. If you're new, subscribe and come through tomorrow. We're live every morning with the market plus crypto recaps and sometimes even Roblox battles after hours on the King David channel. So catch me over there, guys. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time we are online, and check the description for all my links. Peace and profits. We do the videos con mucho amor, and as always, have a beautiful day. Let's go.